everybody, I did 3 different videos today and my hair is a mess. I explained that in my first video. I have a bunch of friends coming over and I still gotta finish fixing my hair and cleaning up some stuff and cooking some stuff, so I'm like, I gotta hurry up. I'm gonna end up running late. It's already 4 o'clock and I'm supposed to come at 5, so I gotta hurry up. But today I will be reviewing the It You Sculpted palette. This is what it looks like. I use pretty much everything, like the contour, matte highlight, and regular highlight. So yeah, I did cut and color my hair. If you guys haven't noticed, it's a lot darker, and I cut like 3 inches off of it. So anyways, if you guys want to see this review, then just keep watching. My friends come over and I'm like drinking, like, oh, I just did my makeup. How does it look? Alright, so I'm doing 3 videos today. This is going to be a separate video, and then this Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Foundation is going to be another one. I thought they color matched me with my tan, but apparently not. You can see, let me set up a little bit. If you can see that, I look so much whiter in person. Maybe not in the video, I'm not sure, I can't really tell, but so today we're going to be reviewing the It You Sculpted. I've only used this a couple times. I need to bronze the crap out of my face though, because I feel like I look way too light. So I'm gonna dive right in, and I'm gonna be taking, it's this brush kit I got, this inexpensive brush kit, their contour brush. I'll link that review down below. I don't know what colors to take. I'm gonna take the medium contour first, this one right here, and then see how it goes. And then maybe I'll take the darkest one. Okay. Oh my gosh. That is pigmented. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm definitely not taking the darkest one. Blend that one in. Look at that. Ah! Way too much. I gotta cover up my large and in charge forehead. That is just pigmented. Oops, I almost grabbed that dark one. Carry it down my neck, or my jawline. Oh, I'm gonna take my brush I use for the powder and help blend that in a little bit, because these are pretty pigmented. Okay, so I used the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Hate it. I don't like it at all. I'm going to, where'd my beauty blender go? I'm gonna try this powder if I can find my sponge. There, oh my gosh, I'm going crazy. Okay. So I'm just gonna dip it in the matte highlight really quick. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Oh, maybe I shouldn't. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do it because I'm doing a review, so. I'm kind of scared. Oh. It feels, ooh. My under eyes be looking all kinds of light up in here. It feels really good though. And this would for sure brighten up your under eyes. That sounds like right on me now. Look at my eyes. What if I just left it like this? I was like, hey girl. Okay, I'll brush it away now. I wasn't baking, but it's just like super strong. What do you guys think? You guys get it? There we go. Oh, looks pretty good. Better than that Laura Mercier translucent powder. So if you want to brighten up your eyes, this is the stuff. Okay. Now I'm going to put on my blush and I'll come back for the highlight with you guys. Okay. Oh, got foundation in my hair. Dang it. And just to let you guys know, my hair's not this short. That's like my shortest layer. My hair's like, I cut off 3 inches, but it's still pretty long. Okay, so now I'm using a Morphe 310 brush. This highlight's super subtle. It's not like wham bam in your face. I'll probably end up putting something on like for when my friends actually come over. That is it right there, that one. But I'm gonna put it on because I'm reviewing this palette. I haven't actually tried it though on my skin, so maybe it'll look better. Okay. Do you guys see that? What in the world? Like, how did that happen? It looks so pigmented and oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay. Never mind. I won't be needing another highlight. I'll try right here. So that really shocked me. The highlighter is like bam in your face. And I said before that this palette is good for any age. Right now I am wearing tan. I am like, okay, if you wear like Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation, I'm a Thor with my tan on. What else? I'm a beige with my tan on. And I'm darker than Cashew, than the Laura Mercier, because that's the one I put on and it's too light for me. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my arm. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys though. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the contour shades. So this one's soft. This one's light. And this one's medium. This is the one I put on today. Okay, and then this one's deep. Okay, and then for the highlights, there's only 2. Oh, my hand's still up on my arm. I'll do it right here. This one's matte. Is it? Yeah. And then this one's the Radiance, it's called. Which, with a brush, it was like, look at that. It does look super natural though. I love it. Like, I love the way my skin's looking right now. And I don't know if it's a foundation. I don't know. Okay, so on the back of the palette, there is a little booklet. It says, "It's your most beautiful you, you sculpted." And then it shows you everywhere you can put the highlight and the bronzer. For example, there's her face right there. And then it shows like everywhere to put the bronzer and all that. Wow. It even shows all over your body. So it shows how to do a nose job, cheekbones. Then it shows you how to get some lifted boobs, how to enhance your breastises, and how to minimize. Oh my god, I'm gonna do that. Oh, it's talking about how I want smaller boobs. And then it shows you right here how to make it look like you have maybe a 6-pack, a slimming definition stomach, or an enhanced definition stomach. And then right here, it shows your arms. I don't know why you contour your arms. So I don't know. Slimming light definition for your butt. My baby in the background. I swear, it takes me like 2 or 3 hours to film a video because my kids. But then it shows your butt. If you want to enhance your baby, you can. There's no minimizing one on here though. You can only enhance it. Okay, so there's all kinds of tips and tricks on here, which is really good if you're a beginner or it's good for anybody. So this is really good. It comes in handy. I don't know how to fold it back up. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I feel like this palette, oh yeah, and it has a little mirror on it. It's actually a really good mirror. It isn't one of those like makes you look bigger like carnival mirrors. I feel like this is a good palette. It has a good shade range for every skin tone for contour. However, for highlight, like what it's suggesting here on, you know, the girl right here in the model, and then also in the pamphlet, it shows that you can highlight under your eyes and all that. But I mean, if you have medium to dark skin tone, this isn't gonna be good for you. This color is like super light. It's even lighter for me. Like it just looks like a brightening, which is what you want under your eyes, like something to brighten up under your eyes. But if you're like medium to dark, it's gonna just make you have like a white look afterwards, like even if you brush it away, if that makes sense. So I think this is good for, and there isn't a bunch of different palettes, you guys. Keep in mind, this is the only one. There isn't like, I just got the light one and that's why. No, this is the only one. So that sucks. Like for those of you with medium to dark skin tone, and even me, like with my tan on, I'm still like lighter. I'm not like super dark or medium. I like this palette. I am light skinned though. So, you know, if you are medium to dark skin and you have tried this palette out, leave it down below for those of you, or for those people who haven't tried it, because I have no idea. I don't know what it's like for medium to dark skin, but I would guess it's not good because this color right here is lighter than me. So like I said, leave it down below. I hope this review helped you guys. I really like this palette. I think it's really nice, and I feel like my skin looks really good right now with that Radiance highlight. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.